Windows inbuilt game recorder. Press Windows key plus G to fire up the Windows game recorder, then press Windows key plus Alt key plus R to start recording, and then press the same key combination to stop the recording. You can also use this as a screen recorder. Windows 10 virtual desktops. Press Windows key plus Ctrl plus D to create a new virtual desktop. You can work separately from this window. Press Windows key plus Ctrl plus arrow keys to go through your virtual desktop. To close the virtual desktop, just press Windows key plus Ctrl plus F4. Windows 10 taskbar app launch. Press Windows key plus 1, 2, 3 and so on. You can launch the application pinned to the taskbar, and also press Shift key plus application icon to launch new instance. This will helpful when you need multiple Explorer windows. Windows Snap feature. When you are playing with the multiple windows, this will help you to manage your open windows very effectively. You can also use your mouse drag your open windows to the edge of your screen, just like your old Windows 7. Use Win plus Shift plus S hotkey to take screenshot in selected area in Windows 10. You can also use Freeform tool to select custom area. This snap is only saved to clipboard, so you need to manually save to your desired location.